We can't go over there. It's buried.
It's okay, I got it. Hold. To hold.
No.
No! Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all the snow we have in Worcester, Mass. If you could please, this is all the snow we have. You jump down in there, no bones will break. Soft, slushy snow. Very suspicious.
Show me.
You get buried.
I'm not going to technically jump down there.
Your face is red. You cold?
Me?
Me?
Yeah.
My scarf like hardened.
I'm good. Beyond nearly suspiciously very cold.
Go ahead, Mara. Take a leap down there like a wrestler. Ooh!
Yeah, people. Who's up? Yeah, people. Who's up?
Who's
Yeah,
cold?
people. Not me.
I love the snow.
Yeah, this one's more better than all the other snow. Swim. Let's have a race.
No, we
Swimming.
can't.
Swimming in the snow. Getting deep. No.
Getting
Faster. Faster. No. I can't.
this poison all
Let's not
over.
have a race. Let's not.
What do you guys think of this snowstorm out here?
Weather news, lady. It's Paulina DePasquale. Nice to meet you. This snowstorm over here is up to my shoulders. If you want to see, watch me. Watch me go through these holes and then go through, and then this is where my papa landed. So then I would go forward, 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 forward. It's basically almost down to almost my shoulders. I would actually pretty much die if there was the juice that fell down.
Hello.
On the ice. That's
You look
Judge.
cold.
That's the judge, Coach Morrow. He knows all about weather. Morrow DePasquale, my fellow son brother. This is all the snow. Just saying. We were shoveling all day. We were doing stuff outside.
Yeah, and totally, we were playing in the snow. I was like sleeping. And yeah, I got really,
Maybe
really,
I could take
really
you a little
cold
teeny
when I
tiny
woke
scoop.
up. Because she threw snow in my
Over here is the bathroom.
face.
This is kind of a hallway, but this is the bathroom. You sit, there's a little hole, you sit in it, and then voila, toilet. Sink, you just put your hands inside this hole, and then voila. This is kind of like a hallway type thing. This is where, and then this is the kitchen. We eat snow for lunch, and we sit on these big giant clumps of snow. And we eat, and voila, that's our home. Thank you for seeing Paulina DePasquale and Mara DePasquale, my brother over there, and my papa the other Mara DePasquale that's videotaping this, my papa. Voila, that was our tour. The end.